What's up, guys? I have my new, it's called All Around Thin 360 Degree Body. It's basically like a workout hula hoop. So I've been really curious about these for a while. Had to try it. I love just like a new way to work out. So really excited to integrate this into my workout regimen. Super easy to assemble. You basically just clip the pieces into it. They give you a few extra in case you need it larger, smaller. You can kind of customize it to your waist size. Very easy. It's just like little attachments like such. You clip them in. To put it on and take it off, or at least what I have been doing, there is, see these little black pieces? You basically just pull those up and it's open or closed. So very easy. Clip it back in to have it secure. And I just give it a little spin to start it off. You could probably start from zero movement and just do it with your hips. Up to you. And it's a lot of fun. Definitely recommend trying it out.